So, um, Boss Lady Bilingual was such a helpful program to me as a business owner because living in the area that I live in, there are a lot of Spanish speaking customers that I have, a lot of Spanish speaking families, and working with Tanisha really helped me to gain confidence in using Spanish with them. I'm in the medical profession, so a lot of times I have to find out like what their concerns are, what their concerns are for their children, getting case history information. And what I loved about Boss Lady Bilingual is that it was tailor made. Like I got to do activities that would actually script me out so that I knew how to ask about pregnancy history, concerns, different issues that parents were concerned about. And so the program was super functional and it was well laid out, and the practice modules were so clear and functional, whereas like from day one after you do module one you actually had stuff that you could go out and practice with real Spanish speakers with. It wasn't heavy on like grammar and conjugation, which of course like I had done that in the past before and it just kept me in my head and kept me afraid to speak. But I feel like Tanisha's program was so much more practical and applicable to my life. And I feel like it's expanded what I'm able to do professionally. It's expanded the group of people that I'm able to help. And it just kind of creates a connection, that oftentimes people who speak Spanish, really are looking for when they're in a place where most people don't speak Spanish. So for me, it was life changing, and I'm still growing in my Spanish every day. I'm listening to Spanish radio. I'm listening to novela. Sometimes I'm even translating. Like when people are talking to me, I'm thinking, oh, okay, like what word would that be in Spanish? And that's how the program trains you. Like you start to think about learning the language in a different way, in a more practical way. So I think that for any, woman that's a boss or that's an entrepreneur or a business owner, it is such a great practical way for you to learn Spanish. So it was absolutely amazing.